Today I'm going to make some apple dumplings. So I've got started here with a sheet of crescent roll dough. This is the same as the crescent rolls, but it's a full sheet of dough. This is store-bought, and you can get it in the refrigerated section where the biscuits are. So I'm just going to roll this out a little bit flatter because I want to get 6 squares out of it. I used my pizza cutter to cut out 6 squares of dough. Now I've got my homemade apple pie filling here. You could use store-bought apple pie filling, but I just happen to have this, so I'm going to put a spoonful in the middle of each square. Then I'm going to fold it up. Fold the corners up and make them meet. Then pinch them together and make a little pocket out of it. And make sure it's pinched together good. I'll do one more. Fold the corners up. Then fold the rest of it up. I've made a little pouch out of it. And I'll keep doing this until I get them all finished. I've got 6 of the dumplings finished. Now these are for a dinner that we're having, so I'm using a disposable pan here so I can take it with me. Now I'm going to put the dumplings seam side down in the pan. And there's our first 6. I've got 2 more batches to go, and I'll put those in here with them. I finished making the dumplings. I've got 18 of them in here, all filled with apple pie filling. And I apologize if I seem to be rushing today. Our electricity keeps going off, and I'm really trying to hurry and get these done before it goes off again. So the next step is to make the sauce to go over these. I've got 2 1/4 cups of water in the pan here, and I'm going to add 1 1/2 cups of brown sugar. And I've got it over the heat here, and I'm going to bring it to a boil and let it boil until the sugar is dissolved. And I've got my oven preheating. I've got it set on 400 degrees. My brown sugar and water mixture is boiling, so I'm going to turn off the heat. And I'm going to add 1 1/2 tablespoons of butter and 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. And stir that in. And I'll keep stirring this until the butter melts. My sauce is ready, so now I'm going to pour it over the dumplings. My oven has come up to heat at 400 degrees, so I'm going to put the dumplings in the oven and bake them for 35 to 45 minutes or until they're golden brown. The dumplings are out of the oven, and the next step is to brush them with some melted butter. And now that they've got a good coating of butter on them, I'm going to sprinkle the tops with a little bit of granulated sugar. As these are served, each one will have some of the sauce spooned over the top of it. And these are real good with vanilla ice cream.